In this question, in a family tree, there are two fathers, okay, two mothers, one sister, one brother, two daughters, one mother-in-law, one daughter-in-law, two sister-in-law, one son, one grandfather, one grandmother, and one granddaughter. So instead of giving the relation with the persons and their relations, we are given the family tree and the number of fathers, mothers, sisters, daughter-in-laws, mother-in-laws, sister-in-laws, sons, grandsons, grandmother, and grandfather. Okay. Now, in a family, there are two fathers. Okay. So, I will start with this. I will start with this one mother-in-law and one daughter-in-law. Okay, one mother-in-law and one daughter-in-law. So let us say A and B are couple. Okay, now to have uh, we should have one mother-in-law and one daughter-in-law. Yes, for example, let us assume that B is mother-in-law. Okay, then A and B should have a son. Yes, and C should be married to someone, D, so that D will be daughter-in-law of B and E. Yes, so we are done with. Now in this diagram we have one mother-in-law and one daughter-in-law. Okay, in a family tree there are two fathers and we have A being father of C, so we have one father and two mothers. So B is a mother of C. So we already have one mother, one father in this. Okay. Now two sister-in-law. Okay. Now if I assume that C has a sister E, I can say that D will be sister-in-law of E and E will be sister-in-law of D. Yes, there are two sister-in-laws, two sisters-in-law. Okay, now we have E and D who are sisters-in-law. So we have two sisters-in-law. Clear? Yes. Now we are done with this. One son. Okay, one son. So we already have C who is son of A and B. So we already have one son in this family tree. One sister, we have E being a sister of C. So we have one sister in this family tree. And C is a brother of E. So we have one brother in this family tree also. Okay. Now we already have one father here, and that is A. A is the father of C and E. Okay, we have already one mother in this family tree, B, who is mother of both E and C. Okay, so we need to have one father, one more father, one more mother. Okay, one grandfather, one grandmother, grandfather, one grandmother. Okay, and one granddaughter. So there should be someone in the next generation also. Now, if I consider this couple C and D, if they have a daughter called F, okay, now, now C will be father of F. So we have one more father in this family tree. So now A and C are fathers, okay. B and D are mothers, so we will also have two mothers. So B and D are mothers. Okay. Now one grandfather. I can say A is the grandfather of F. So A will be grandfather. Yes. One grandmother. B is the grandmother of G. Yes, and granddaughter. F is granddaughter of A and B. So we also have this granddaughter. So all the relations mentioned in the questions are satisfied in this family tree. Yes, two fathers are A and C, two mothers are B and D, one sister is E, one brother is C, yes, two daughters. So, okay, we should have two daughters also. I can say that E is a daughter of A and B, and F is a daughter of C and D. So, E and F are daughters. Yes. Okay. One mother-in-law, B is the mother-in-law. One daughter-in-law, D is the daughter-in-law. Two sister-in-laws. So E and D are sister-in-laws to each other. Yes. D is E's sister-in-law and E is D's sister-in-law. Now one son, C is the son. C is the son of A and B. One grandfather, A is the grandfather of F. One grandmother, B is the grandmother of F. And one granddaughter, F is the granddaughter of A. So this family tree fulfills all the relationships mentioned in the question. Now, 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 if I look at the questions, how many married couples are there in the family? So if you look, we have A and B as couple and C and D as a couple. Okay, so we have two couples in this family. The answer should be option. Now, how many female members are in the family? So B is female, E is female, D is female, and F is female. So we have four female members in the family. Okay. Now, what is the maximum number of people in the family? So in this family, we have one, two, three, four, five, and six. So we have six people in this family. So the answers are three, three, and